Alright, so what's up guys? I'm back with another installation video, and this one is at the request of another 959 Panigale owner who wanted to know how to install a RAM mount on his 959 Panigale. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to stem mount a RAM mount to your 959. Okay, so this is an extremely easy installation. Once you have all the parts, it's literally like a 2 or 3 minute installation tops. So as far as what you're gonna need to do this installation, first of all, obviously you're gonna need the RAM mount itself. This does come in 2 different sizes, a regular and a plus size. I have the plus size one because I have a plus size iPhone. If you try to use the smaller RAM mount with the plus size phone, the arms of the mount are gonna press on the volume buttons and the power button. And if it presses on the power button and holds it, it's gonna trigger the emergency SOS feature in the phone, and which is basically gonna call 911. So you definitely wanna make sure you have the right size RAM mount for the phone you have. Secondly, you're gonna wanna have this double arm socket. This does come in 2 or 3 sizes, I believe, small, medium, and large. I have the smaller one just because I don't need it to reach extra long for my phone. I pretty much just lay this thing flat where it mounts. So for this bike, the small one is perfect. The third piece you're gonna need is the stem mount kit. This does come with a whole bunch of extra crap with it, but all you really need out of this kit is just this one piece. Everything else you'll throw in the garbage or use for some other installation. And the final piece you need that's gonna tie all of this together is a toggle bolt kit. And this is gonna be a 3/16, and you want the 2-inch size or maybe even longer. The 2-inch is gonna be the length of the bolt or the screw that mounts the toggle bolt to the stem. And the way this works is basically this screw goes down through the ball socket, and then it screws into here, and this is what holds it onto the bike. So let me show you guys how to install that. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take the toggle bolt kit, you're gonna take one of the screws, you're gonna take one of the little feet things, and you wanna take the ball mount. So all you're gonna do is take the screw, put it through the hole like that, and then you're gonna start to screw this onto the bottom of the screw. Just like that, just to get it started. You don't want to screw it on too high because otherwise you won't be able to get it down through the hole. So just screw it on a little bit just so it doesn't fall in there. And you want to make sure the feet go like this, so it's gonna press up against the inside of the stem mount as you tighten it down. So basically all you're gonna do is compress on these and put it down through the hole. Just like that, and you'll hear it snap in place. Take your Phillips head screwdriver, and what you want to do is just pull up on this and make sure the feet are flat up against the back of the stem screw. Pull up on this, so you put pressure on the toggle bolt, and then you're just gonna tighten it down. And that's literally it. And as you tighten this down, the feet of the toggle bolt is gonna press up on the inside and clamp this whole thing down together and basically hold it in place. And just try to make sure it's nice and straight and centered, and then just tighten it nice and tight. You don't have to kill it, but you want to keep it nice and tight just to keep this from spinning on you. And that's not going anywhere. All right. Next thing you're gonna do is take the clip or the socket, loosen it a little bit, put it around the ball, take your RAM mount, put that on the other side of the socket, and loosen it just till it fits in place. And then you want to just position the ram mount where you want it. You can have it kind of out more, closer to your face. I like to have mine nice and flat and kind of aimed right up at my vision. So, you know, when I look down at the phone, you know, I don't have to kind of lean over the phone to see it. So I kind of aim it right up, you know, at my visor. And it's pretty much I just lay it nice and flat, just like that. Make sure it's centered. And then I just tighten it down. I'm gonna make sure it's nice and tight. You don't have to kill it too hard because it's not gonna go anywhere. And then that's it. You know, it's installed. Next thing you do, you take your phone, just put it in there, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Very, very simple. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I would say all in all, this project costs maybe 70 bucks tops. You could probably save a few bucks if you can find all the pieces in one kit, but I doubt it's gonna be more than a few dollars. The toggle bolts, you could probably save a few bucks if you buy just a pack of 2 or 3. I think it's like maybe $1.59 or something at Home Depot. I kind of use them for other projects too, so that's why I have the big box of it, and that's only like 5 bucks. But as far as the actual ram mount parts, you can get them from basically any motorcycle retailer. I got all these pieces from Revzilla. You can get it from Cycle Gear, wherever. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope somebody found this information useful. If you guys have any other questions, please drop them down in the comment box and I'll try to reply as I can. All right, peace.